If you have the need to chop firewood, but you have no solid chopping block, you can use a log laid horizontally on the ground. Lean the log that you want to split against this base log. Make sure only the top end of the log is touching the bottom log, and chop down to split the wood. It is actually safer to do this with a longer axe and not a hatchet. Keep your knees bent and legs apart. That way, if you miss, your axe head gets buried into the ground and not into your foot. As a word of warning, it's probably best not to attempt this if you are a beginner, and make sure the bottom log is on hard ground if possible.